And the fifth one is the Diwani. And Diwani is, they call it Diwani. So Diwan in Arabic is the place where the king has like a big room where he can, talk to, let's say, back then, not currently, but even currently actually, like in Jordan, for example, because it's a kingdom. So when people from the Leinster wanted to talk to him, they come and talk to him. There's like a big hall. It's called Diwan. They gather there. And if any format letters, it comes to the king, they write it in Diwani because it's nice and it's it's more expensive to do, so it looks more elegant to somebody in the king's level. So that's why it's called Diwani. So you usually see like the letters that goes to the kings. They used to do it in Diwani. And like I said, Diwani it's done in circles. So you also can be creative a little bit more. So what I'm going to do briefly, quickly, I'm going to write like one word in each font, so to give you an idea. So for example, let's do Bismillah, for example. In Ruqa, so in Ruqa, we'll see that the two letters will be separated. So this is Ruqas. It's simple. People can follow it because it has rules. And if you put it on the line, there's also rules like when you go up the line and below the line, which we would follow in these two. But here, you can do your own, and Diwani, you can go up the line, up, and it's just more like more of drawing, more of like how you do it. Yeah, it's like an artistic. So this is in Ruqa. In Nasr, I think you see this in the Quran. This is exactly so we still separate the two letters. You cannot mix them together. So now the thuluth you can play a little bit more. So if you remember, we said every beginning letter has to have this triangle. Then I can put the second letter for Allah at the top.
Wow.
See, it's a little harder. And this is not the only way to write Bismillah. You can also do different fonts with it. So that's the thuluth. Kufi, just like we said, it's just like using a ruler, which I don't have now. It's not gonna come as nice as I expected.
It's basically straight lines.
Straight lines. Yes.
This is Kuf, right?
Kuf, yes. And some people can do a little bit more fancy stuff with it, but like I said, it's using very engineering tools. So now the Diwani, this is the one that has curves. So for example, to do Bismillah, this is something that will make distinguish the Diwani is the beginning of the letters as well. It has a beginning. It has like a little pin,
Like a hook
tip
kind of
or
thing.
hook, yeah,
Oh,
inside, not outside. See, the third is outside.
Opposite of the.
Yeah. And you will always see the circles. So now watch. That's one. So this is quickly just the different, and I'll keep it up on the board for the left-hand side. But that just gives you an idea about how hard these poems are. So this is the simplest, and we recommend, like, if somebody wanted to progress a career or like really have a passion about doing calligraphy, I would suggest or recommend actually to finish a course in doing the calligraphy, because this will teach you how to hold a pen, will teach you how to actually space the letters correctly, teach you how to control.
You mean Ruka, right?
The roka, yeah.
Roka.
Control the
Easy
the pen.
process.
It's easy. See, once you're done with this, then you can move to that. Once you finish the nasikh, because this is the alphabets a little bit closer here. So if you don't do nasikh, it's going to be a little bit hard for you to grasp the color. This could be done by itself. You can start doing this on your own. It's easier. This also
Diwani.
recommended after roka. So that's kind of like the big history or big idea about the calligraphy. And from the fillet also, some people divide it to 3 types. Nasikh have probably 2 types, Roqa have 2, I think. Diwani probably have 3 or 5. They call it jelly Diwani. So it's the same Diwani, but then they add a little bit more of the what do you call these things?
Harakat.
Harakat in Arabic, yes. It's different harakat. The end of the letters sometimes make the Diwani looks different. So the jelly Diwani, for example, this M ends up like this. So that makes it jelly Diwani. So it's still Diwani, but they're adding
More
a little bit
character.
More characters. So once you learn the basic, then you can go advanced and learn more.
And you can do